baris ya. Hello everyone, welcome to my village Sohmynting, and this is our paddy field, the Pynthor Langteiñ paddy field down there. It's so very nice to be back at home, and it's very fresh. The air here, if you buy it, you won't get it. You want an AC in Delhi, you won't get it. It's very fresh, it's cool, man. It's good to be back home. It's a God gifted blessing for us. See, that's Pynthor village to the other end. Far end to the mobile tower, that's a Mynsiem village. To its right we have Mosakia and Samanong. Today kind of dark clouds are gathering. Kuch deron mein, after some time I guess it will rain, so we'll enjoy the rain here. But here the wind gushing. So let's see, let's go down and plow something. Woohoo! I'm in the trap. Yeah, the hot, yeah, what you call it, it's smoky inside. So the rain is coming, it's getting darker. Here is our trap. There's a small window. Oh, phir bhag gaya. Oh, I think it won't rain or what? It should rain. It's been a long 2 weeks without rain. Ruk gaya. So enjoy the view. Let's round. See, that's paddy, rice, chawal, dhan, whatever you call it. That's the sound the rain make when it hits the tin sheet. See the rain drops. When the going get tough, the tough get going. That's what we are being taught. We do it in practice. That's the umbrella, the basket umbrella in our side. We call it the knoop. It's been just put around the back and it will stay there. Woohoo! Here come the rain! Ktieh. Bum bum. It rains so heavy, man, so heavy. Bahut baris hai yaar. Hey, slap that. After 2 hours of rain, the sky is opening. Look at that waterfall. The haduh. This is our sula ktieh, sula rep sini sa Pynthor ya katu lai lori kiba da thunggi lori ktieh hali wadang sa neng ni kuba cara put ini put hali star Poh ni haduh wow bab re bab pyndap ko full na bạn Poh he flap Dagan jai na bahai Dagan jai ga Woohoo! Ayo bang phi pangat katu katani chit katel flap what a blessing Woohoo! Katu lire ba lire bi ga ba